Hey everyone, and welcome to Bulls and Bears. Today, we're going to talk about Elate Group upcoming IPO. Elate Group is a leading provider of moving and storage services in the United States. The company is planning to raise up to $6 million in its IPO, which is expected to be priced on October 26, 2023. Company overview. Elate Group is a leading provider of moving and storage services. The company was founded in 2010 with a mission to provide customers with the best possible moving and storage experience. Elate Group offers a wide range of services, including local and long-distance moving, storage, packing and unpacking, and specialty services such as gym and playground equipment disassembly and reassembly. Financial statements. Elate Group has experienced strong revenue growth in recent years. In 2022, the company generated $1.2 billion in revenue, up from $60 million in 2020. This growth has been driven by strong demand for the company's products and services. Elate Group's gross profit margin has also improved in recent years, from 33% in 2020 to 25% in 2022. This indicates that the company is becoming more efficient at producing and selling its products and services. However, Elate Group's net income has been inconsistent in recent years, ranging from $0.5 million to $1 million. This is due to a number of factors, including the company's investment in new products and services, as well as rising costs. Management team. Elate Group is led by a strong management team with a proven track record of success. CEO Kevin Britt has over 20 years of experience in the moving and storage industry. The company's other senior executives have an average of 15 years of experience in the industry. Elate Group faces risks but committed to customer satisfaction. Elate Group, a moving and storage company, faces a number of risks, including competition from other companies, economic downturns, increased fuel costs, labor shortages, and regulatory changes. However, Elate Moving is committed to providing its customers with the best possible service. The company has a strong focus on customer satisfaction and goes above and beyond to meet the needs of its clients. Elate Moving is known for its attention to detail and its commitment to quality. Market opportunity. The moving and storage industry is a large and growing market. In 2022, the industry generated over $20 billion in revenue. The market is expected to continue to grow in the coming years, driven by factors such as increasing urbanization and mobility. IPO details. Elate Group, Inc. ELGP is a diversified operations company that is planning to go public on the Nasdaq exchange. The company has not yet announced a price range for its IPO, but it is expected to raise $6 million. Elate Group's financial performance has been mixed in recent years. The company has seen revenue growth, but its profitability has been inconsistent. However, there are some positive signs. The company's gross profit margin has improved, and its management team is experienced and has a proven track record of success. Elate Group is also facing a number of tailwinds, such as the growing demand for moving and storage services. Overall, Elate Group is a well-managed company with a strong market opportunity. However, investors should carefully consider the company's risks before investing in its IPO. So, what do you think? Is the Elate Group IPO a good investment? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about IPOs and other investing topics.